When you're working with long interviews or in-depth podcast recordings, getting an accurate transcript is no longer the hardest part. The bigger challenge usually comes afterward, sifting through pages of text to find the quotes, insights, and key moments that actually matter. That's the problem Geode is designed to solve. Geode is a recording and transcription app available on Android, iPhone, iPad, Windows, and Mac. It's built for people who regularly work with interviews, conversations, and long-form audio, including journalists, podcasters, documentary researchers, qualitative researchers, field interviewers, and other knowledge workers. Instead of spending hours digging through transcripts manually, Geode helps make that workflow much more manageable. Let's take a closer look at how it works and what makes it worth considering. So let's talk about the main issue we're facing these days. To be honest, plenty of tools can handle transcription. The real challenge starts after the transcript is generated. We still spend hours digging through 60 or 90-minute recordings to find a single quote, jumping back and forth between the transcript and the original audio to verify details, and cleaning up pages of raw text before we can turn it into useful summaries, show notes, articles, or reports. This becomes especially frustrating when we're editing a podcast, trying to meet a tight publishing deadline, or sorting through interview recordings for research. On top of that, many cloud-based transcription services introduce their own complications. They may require bots to join meetings, charge ongoing per-minute processing fees, and raise privacy concerns when we're working with confidential conversations or unreleased audio that can't be shared freely. This is where Geode really starts to shine. It brings our everyday devices together into a seamless ecosystem, whether we're using the mobile app on a phone or the desktop client on a Mac or Windows PC. The workflow is simple and intuitive. We capture interviews, meetings, or field recordings on a mobile device, then transfer the audio to our Mac over the local Wi-Fi network. From there, the desktop app takes over. On desktop, Geode handles local transcription, timestamps, search, and speaker separation. On Mac, it also supports local smart summaries on device. The result is a fast, responsive experience that keeps sensitive recordings under our control, while making the entire process feel effortless. First, we open up the app on our device to capture our conversation, and we notice that it continues recording perfectly even if our screen locks or we switch over to another application. Now there's an interesting feature, Capture App Audio. It records the audio playing from other apps on the device, which can be useful for podcast workflows, webinars, online interviews, or app-based audio you want to turn into text. Then, once the session wraps up, we transmit the recording directly from the mobile app to our Mac using our local Wi-Fi network, which means this transfer process completely cuts out any cloud uploads or external server middleman. When the file arrives at our desktop, the local processing kicks in to deliver a highly accurate transcript that is complete with clear timestamps and automated speaker separation, which is supported on both Mac and Windows. Right after that, if we need to track down a specific statement, we can simply type a keyword into the built-in search bar, and the interface immediately highlights every matching term across the entire file. Now, instead of guessing if a quote is accurate, we can click directly on any timestamp or specific line of text, causing the audio playback to instantly jump to that exact moment, so we can listen, verify, and confirm the phrasing. Then, if you are on Mac OS, you can navigate over to the local Smart Summary feature to generate structured overviews and organized show notes entirely on device, which acts as a major highlight for saving editing hours without cloud reliance. Another option is importing an audio or video file that we already have saved on our device. This gives us flexibility and means we're not limited to a single way of getting content into the app. If we really want to see how the local-first approach works, we can even turn off Wi-Fi completely and watch the transcription continue running without any internet connection. As we work through our files, the features we end up relying most on are the fast keyword search, clickable timestamps, and locally generated summaries. These are easily some of the platform's biggest strengths, helping us find information and move through recordings much faster. At the same time, it's important to remember that while the app does a lot of the heavy lifting, the final responsibility for checking the audio and verifying quotes still belongs to us. That extra review step keeps us in full control of accuracy and ensures nothing gets published without proper verification. This local-first structure serves as our primary highlight because the app is local by default, meaning cloud processing is only used when you choose it. With local processing, the raw audio stays on your device. For journalists, podcasters, or researchers handling highly confidential material or unpublished audio, keeping everything out of the cloud by default reduces unnecessary exposure and gives us total ownership over sensitive recordings. This brings us to the sheer freedom of unlimited paid local usage, meaning we can transcribe hundreds of hours of files without ever staring at a ticking per-minute usage meter.
The pricing is also simple. Geode includes a free plan with 5 hours of transcription every month, so you can test it with a real interview before paying. First-time users also get a 7-day trial with full Pro Plus access, so they can try the complete feature set.
The lifetime license is a one-time payment of $79.99.
One single purchase covers all of your devices under the same account, and paid local transcription does not come with a per-minute meter. Is available on both Mac and Windows, while local summaries are currently Mac only. Cloud features remain optional and separate.
We genuinely appreciate what Geode brings to the table for anyone balancing intensive interview, podcast, or research tasks. It's an incredibly strong fit for serious creators who regularly work with long interviews and long-form audio documentation, though it might not be the best choice if you are just looking for an automatic meeting bot to join video calls, or if you only process short voice notes. The sheer convenience of recording in the field on a lightweight phone and immediately having a secure, time-stamped transcription workspace on the desktop is a massive time saver. To keep things transparent, local summaries are currently Mac only. Speaker separation is available on both Mac and Windows. Additionally, if you are dealing with an extremely noisy background from a crowded outdoor environment, you might find yourself wanting to occasionally utilize their optional cloud processing path to get the best possible text accuracy. But the local workflow is the main reason to use Geode. We have placed the link down in the description box and within the pinned comment below so you can find it easily. Before you take off, we want to hear from you down in the comments section. What specific kind of audio recordings do you find yourself working with the most in your own creative projects? Let us know, and we will see you in the next review.